Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
What's happening YouTube, your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the Chuwi MiniBook X. It also comes with a smart stylus. Here we go.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you could be notified on next videos to come up, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. There's some accessory box right there, power adapter right there. Let's open up the stylus here now. That's what it looks like. And there you go. That's the laptop right there. The MiniBook X has Windows 11 10.8 display, 2K Retina display as well, Intel Celeron 5100, which is 4 cores at 2.8 GHz and 4 threads. It also has 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigabytes of SSD. The front screen camera has a hole punch as well, which is unique to the MiniBook X. It also comes with a full-size keyboard with very simple minimalist keys. It kind of feels like the MacBook Pro, which has 2 backlit options as well. Also great when you are using this during the night. It also comes with 2 USB-C slot, one for charging and one for hubs, and also a headphone jack. It also has a 360 degrees hinge so that you can use it as a tablet. It's strong enough so that you can stop it wherever you want. During the tablet mode as well, the keyboard disables. And then of course, during the tablet mode, it'll have its own on-screen keyboard, which is really nice to type on as well. It's not a one-hand use though when you are on tablet mode. You can use the keyboard as well to prop it up like this if you're watching movies. And then during the laptop mode, you can stop it wherever you want so that it's the best viewing angle for you. The smart stylus is really good in the hand as well, feels great. It also comes with 2 tips so that you can change it up when it does wear out. It also comes with 2 buttons on the side. It also has a hover feature so you don't have to actually click the screen. And when you're writing, it does feel good in the hand, but at the same time it's not like 1-to-1 as well, because the frame rate is not 60 or 120 frames per second, but it does work out pretty well. Now let's try out the camera and the mic. Hey, what's happening everyone? This is a test of the Chuwi MiniBook X. This is the 720p video recording and also the mic on it. Let me know what you think down in the description below, if it's any good or not. Again, this is a test for the Chuwi MiniBook X. This is basically the camera that will show when you are on a Zoom call or maybe a Skype call or something like that when you're in a meeting. Now let's test out the speakers, how well it does. As you can see, the sounds is not really studio quality or anything like that. That's why it has the headphone jacks so that you can use your own Bluetooth or wired headphones on this so that you have a better sound. Now we also tried playing this with Valorant. This is a first-person shooter and it does take a lot of graphics performance. At the same time, it did okay on it in my opinion. It is usable, but at the same time, it's not gonna like help you too much on great FPS. If you could see on top there, the FPS is really dropping fairly well here. It's not breaking any records or anything like that, but it does maintain it around 20 to 30 frames per second. Now when it comes to the disk speed, I'm pretty impressed actually of what it could do. I'm pretty surprised that I'm even getting like the 500 megabytes per second on the read and pretty close on the write as well. That's pretty impressive for me, and I'll give that to Chuwi as well. Now when it comes to daily tasks like checking your emails, doing some productivity things like Google Docs, maybe even making PowerPoints, it's actually doing well, no lag whatsoever. So that's really good if you just want this for a daily driver and not have intensive editing or gaming on it. It's gonna do really well. The Chuwi MiniBook X also has 3800 milliamp hour battery on it, And for me, I don't think that's good enough, but it'll do very well on most tasks. Like I said, if it's a menial task and you just want to go ahead and do something productive while you are on the bus or while you are in a coffee shop. But if you are taking video calls and Zoom calls on this and you are in a meeting for hours, I would recommend using the power adapter. For most people, I think overall it's pretty good device, especially how light and small it is. If you are a YouTuber, this might not be the one for you because you might want something that you can edit on while you are on the go. Maybe you want something that will help you edit videos and also transfer files easier. Because Chewy MiniBook X doesn't have the SD cards, then it's harder to transfer things in and out. I would definitely recommend this for students as well if you are doing school from home or maybe an online schooling. That would be really good for this one. For those of you who just loves consuming media, this is a one for you as well because it'll do YouTube, Netflix, and any streaming platform as well. Will do on this one and it won't have any lag. It's just that you might need a better speaker on it because the speakers on this is not bass heavy, but it'll do for everyday small, online streaming. If you are consuming media and you are on the go, I would recommend using a USB-C battery charger, battery pack, so that you can charge on the go while you're consuming media. Here's a 4K video that I got from YouTube, and we'll test it on the 2K video that the Chewy MiniBook X has. Here we go. I'm definitely amazed with the screen and the retina display of the Chewy MiniBook X. The 2.7K display makes a whole lot of difference as well. The cutout up top, as you can see when you are consuming media, you won't even see it. So it's not gonna take off any media whatsoever. So that's really good as well. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a convertible laptop just like this one. This one is the MiniBook X by Chewy. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.